What is the best way to clean sheet pans? Some people call them aluminum or stainless steel or cookie sheets. No matter what you call them, how do you clean them? I was editing one of my cooking videos and thought, wow, my sheets look dirty. So just like you, I went searching online to find a way to clean my sheets that was quick and easy and the most effective way. I watched a YouTube video called Kitchen Tips Online, and this fellow said he'd been using this technique for the last 25 years. And I figured if it's worked for him, then this is going to work for me, because I love a tried and true recipe or a how-to. So there's an overlooked product in the grocery store that's readily available. And by the way, it's not dryer sheets. And when I show it to you, you're going to say, why didn't I think of that? It's Carrie here, and this is Cooking with Carrie. I want to welcome you to my kitchen. If you're brand new here, I'm so excited that you're here. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click on that little bell so you get notified when any of my new videos come out. Each week, I use common kitchen and pantry ingredients to make good food for you and your family to enjoy on a budget. This week, we'll be creating actually not a simple meal. We're going to do a simple cleaning technique that's easy to do, and that is the best part of it. So make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on that little bell so you'll get notified and won't miss any of my videos when they come out each and every week. Now, if you do a search on how to clean cookie sheets or what is the best way to clean a sheet pan, you'll get a wide variety in range that go from dryer sheets to baking soda, hydrogen peroxide, but in this video, we're going to take a very different approach. This is one of my cookie sheets, and as you can see, it has some pretty baked on grime or grit or dirt, whatever you want to call it. Now this side isn't quite as bad, so we're going to use the back side and show you what we're going to do. We're going to clean half of this pan using the method that has been used for years. Baking soda or dryer sheets get your pans sort of clean, but I want to do one that's once and it's good for the next 20 years, because this pan has been with me since I got married 20 years ago. So the first thing we want to do is put the sheet pan in the sink and give it a good spray with our cleaning solution. I'm only going to clean half of the dish pan so that you can see the contrast between the clean and the dirty side. Next, we're going to let that sheet pan rest in the sink for about 15 minutes, or between 15 to 20 minutes. You want to take an SOS pad or a Brillo pad. I've got a homemade scrubby pad here, and I'm going to scrub off the remaining stuff. Now, because the pan was very filthy, we're going to have to, with the burnt stuff, we're going to have to scrub it and give it some little bit of elbow grease to get it clean. Now what we need to do is take some hot water and rinse off the pan. And then we're going to take, and just get that nice and rinsed off there. Then next, take some regular dish detergent and rinse off any of the leftover residue. You can see the pan is nice and clean and is almost new looking on that one side. Now, the reason I waited to show you exactly what I use is because some folks consider this product a little controversial. It's easy off oven cleaner. Now, the manufacturers say that it shouldn't be used. They don't recommend using it on aluminum because it may pit or discolor the pans. But people have been using this for over 25 years and rave about its success. Now, I use the fume-free version so that it didn't stink up my kitchen too bad. My experience has been that if I only leave it on for about 15 to 20 minutes and also rinse it nice with the soap and water, that the pan is nice and clean and I don't have those problems. So this is what the finished product looks like with that Easy Off oven cleaner. Now you know how to get your cookie sheets looking as new as the day you bought them. I think we did a good job here. So if you want to give me a thumbs up, that would be much appreciated. And if you're new here to the channel, click subscribe so you can stay up to date on some of the great recipes that I have to share. Thanks for joining me on Cooking with Carrie. We'll see you next time.